They say every machine has a soul, a history etched into its metal and wires. But some histories are darker than others. Some cars don't just carry passengers, they carry secrets. They carry the past. It sits there, gleaming under the moon, a perfect machine. But look closer. Feel the chill in the air around it. Hear the faint, low hum that isn't the engine. Not yet. It calls to you, a silent promise of speed, of freedom, a promise that is a lie. Once you open the door, you feel it. The cold embrace, the air thick with something old and hungry. The engine turns over with a groan. Not a start, but an awakening. It doesn't just burn fuel, it feeds. The road ahead stretches into darkness. There's no turning back now. The car decides the destination. It knows where you're going. It's been there before, many times. The speed builds. The world outside blurs, but the terror inside sharpens. You are not driving, you are being taken, and the ride is just beginning.